लो भिड़े दिमाग में कीड़े. Now you're watching me speaking English. English.
Abhishek Bachchan has been in acting for the last 15 years. He has done all kind of roles, from playing the good guy in Main Prem Ki Diwani Hoon to the bad fellow in Ravan, from a con man in Bunty Aur Bubbly to a cop in Dhoom series, a father to old son in Pa, and son to his father in Kabhi Alvida Na Kehna. Ask Abhishek if there is something he has not done and wants to do, and he says that he would love to do a tragedy, a classic Shakespearean tragedy. He has not done that, but right now he's really enjoying having fun.
आपने जिसको देखा वो मैं था, लेकिन वो मैं नहीं था, वो मेरा हमशक्ल भाई था, अब्बास।
अभिषेक बच्चन का भाई अब्बास अली कैसे?
In between, he went through a phase where he was doing very serious, intense films, and after that, he just wanted to go out there and be uninhibited and do mad stuff, take out all that excessive energy which he is doing right now. So people know when he does a Happy New Year, a houseful or a Hera Fairy, he's enjoying that zone right now. He doesn't know, maybe after this phase gets over, he would love to do something very intense and tragic. Are you listening, Vishal Bhardwaj?